What's up, Cham Fam? Stephanie here at Stephanie Chambers Daily. And I see you wade your way back to my channel one more time. So if you're returning, thank you so much. I truly appreciate all of your love and support. And if you're new, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you never miss any of my future uploads. Alright guys, so I recorded my intro and outro 3 or 4 days ago. I haven't been posting, as you all know, and I said I was going to post every single day for the month of November, but we had something really awful happen. My grandmother, which I call her Mama, she passed away. It's my daddy's mama. My mama's mama, which was my granny, passed away 2 years ago. My husband's grandmother, which was just like a grandmother to me, his mama passed away a couple months ago. And now my daddy's mama, which was my mama, just passed away. She had stage 4 kidney cancer, but that's not how she passed away. She ended up falling off of the restroom and got a big gash in her head, and they sent her to Macon. She had extreme brain damage and she didn't make it back out. It's been a really rough time for my family, my dad, so that's why I haven't been posting, but I am gonna post today. I need to get back into the swing of things. So y'all just keep us in your prayers, especially my dad, and thanks. We'll jump right on into the video. Alright, so before we jump into the Dollar General deals, I want to go over this with you. This is Rakuten, whatever you want to call it. I call it Rakuten. I'm from the country. I don't know if it's right, but that's what we're going to call it. Stack cash back on top holiday deals. Start a lifetime of savings with cash back. This is amazing. If you do a lot of online shopping for Christmas, like I do, or online shopping period, but especially for the holidays, it's literally so simple. They have every store you can think about. I've never typed in a store and could not find it. Walmart, Kohl's, Macy's, Target, PetSmart, Old Navy, American Eagle, Bath and Body Works, Children's Place. Every store is on here. Well, I'm not going to say every, but I've never found a store that wasn't a part of Rakuten. You just want to log in, make you an account, use my promo code, because I have a special offer right now that when somebody signs up and buys something online through the app, I get $40 and y'all get $40. So it's a really, really good deal. That's 100% cash back. Make you an account, go to whatever website you want to buy from, spend $40, and you will receive that $40 back. You can't beat that. That's a free 40 bucks worth of stuff, guys. A free $40. I'm going to go on and sign in right quick, and I will share it with you guys how it works. Okay, so as you can see, once I signed in, I have earned $113 just in the last month or two. They do like lightning deals where, like right now, cashback is 8% at Nike. So they do a lightning deal, boom, they'll send you a notification saying 20% back at Nike. That is kind of how it works. We have 4% back at Old Navy. I'm telling you, so many different stores, more than you can imagine. There's also where you can go to double cashback at stores. So Gap has 6% back, Macy's is 6% right now, Levi 10%. So say you go to Levi and you spend $40, you'll get $4 back without any bonuses or anything. That is just $4. Right now, Macy's Black Friday one-day sale up to 60% off, plus you get 6% cash back. Like, this is amazing. So if you shop online, go and sign up with Rakuten. It's just free money. If you're going to shop online anyways, you literally just pull up the app, click the store you want to shop at. Say we're going to shop at Gap. You click that store. It says, congratulations, you're about to earn cash back, and it takes you straight to their website. Now we are on Gap. It's that simple. When you go back, so we go back, or exit out of Gap. Macy's. Congratulations, Stephanie. You're on your way to earning 6% cash back. Boom. Macy's.com, their Black Friday sale. I mean, you can't beat it. So y'all go and sign up for Rakuten. My link will be down below in the description box. Be sure to use my referral code. You will get cash back and I will get cash back. Alright, we're going to go over this Gain Any Day deal. You can go out to Dollar General today, tomorrow, all the way until Saturday and pick this up. You're going to want to get 3 of the Febreze Gain sprays. They are $3 each. We have $1 off of 1 and 3 off of 2 coupon. So the $1 off of 1 and 3 off of 2. Then a Gain softener for $3.95. We have $1 off digital for that. Then you're going to want to pick up 2 of the Swiffer dusters, the Gain scented. They must be the Gain scented Swiffer dusters. They are $5 each, and we have a 2 off digital for 2 of them. Your subtotal comes out to $22.95. We have a coupon for 5 off of 20 Gain scented items. So, our subtotal comes out to $22.95 before tax and coupons. Add up all your coupons. You have $12 in coupons. You minus those $12 in coupons from your $22.95. That's going to leave you paying a total of $10 plus tax for 6 Gain items. It's a really good deal. You can go out and do this deal anytime this week. This is a any day deal. Now you can wait till Saturday, add in the Purex pods. So your subtotal is $22.95. You're going to add the $3 Purex pods. Your subtotal is going to come to $25.95. You're going to minus your $12 in coupons from before. It's going to leave $13.95. Your $2 for your Purex pods. It's going to leave a net $11.95. Plus your 5 off of 25. That'll leave you paying $6.95 plus tax for these 6 Gain items plus your Purex pods. It's completely up to you whether you want to go out and pay $10 for these 6 Gain items or pay $6.95 for these 6 Gain items plus your Purex pods. It's completely up to you. Now we're going to go over another any day deal, and then we're going to do some coupon matchups. Alright, this is, if you still have these coupons, this is a really amazing any day deal. The Airwick Vanilla, it has to be the vanilla scent for $3.35 with that $2.75 off digital. The Vicks 20 count cough drops found on Value Valley for $1. We have $1 off digital. The Colgate Triple Action toothpaste, it is a 3-pack for $3. We have a $3 off digital. The Colgate Deep Clean toothpaste, it is $1.75. We have a $2 off digital given overage. And then the Purex pods for $3, and we have a $2 off digital. Now, your subtotal before your tax and coupons comes out to $12.11. You have a total of $10.75 in coupons. You're going to minus that from the $12.11, and that's going to leave you paying only $1.35 for 5 items. That's 5 items at only 27 cents per item. So if you still have these coupons or you have an extra Dollar General account, go get these 5 items, and you'll only pay $1.35 for these 5 items. Coupon matchups, $2 for Palmolive, 75% off digital. You pay $1.25. This is the Febreze that I had in my Gain deal where you pick up 3 of them. 3 of them is $9. We have 2 coupons, a 3 off and a 1 off, leave you paying 5 for 3. As you can see right here, you have the 3 off of 2 Febreze and the $1 off 1 Febreze. So $5 for 3 aerosol sprays, Gain scented. This is off the Gain deal as well. These are for the Swiffer dusters, the Gain scented. 2 of them $10 with the $2 off digital. Leave you paying $8 for 2 of them. These are great for gift baskets. The Purex 4-in-1 pods are $3 with the $2 off digital, leaving you paying only $1. This is part of the Gain deal if you wait until Saturday to do it. This is also an amazing deal. You can get 3 of the 1.7 ounce Axe deodorants. For 3 of them, it is $7.50. We have $3.50 in digital. $2.50 off 2 and $1 off 1. Leave you paying only $4. Great for stockings and gift baskets. Colgate toothpaste, that is $1.75. We have the $2 off digital, which is giving us 25 cents in overage. Completely free with 25 cents in overage. Here where it says it's $1.75, the $2 digital attaches, and it's negative 25 cents because you gain 25 cents for buying this toothpaste. Then we have the Colgate Total White Gel, 2-pack Colgate Total Whitening, the 4.2 ounce. It is $3, and we have a $3 off coupon, and it makes it completely free. Or the Triple Action, both of them are completely free. Robitussin is $3.75 for the 10-count peel packet. We have a $1 off digital, which will leave you paying only $2.75. It's a great time to stock up on any kind of medicine and all medicines. Extra Strength Excedrin Migraine Relief, 24 count. It's $4.25. We have the $1.50 off digital. Leave you paying only $2.75. This is a great time to stock up on all medicines, you guys. Please stock up on everything. Gain, this is off of our Gain deal. This is the Gain Softener. That is $3.95 with that $1 off digital. It's going to leave you paying $2.95. Don't forget, we also have that 5 off of 20 Gain coupon. Then we have the DG Health Children's Ibuprofen. It's 4 ounces. It's $4. We have a $1 off digital, which will leave you paying only $3. Stock up on medicines. Just trust me. Then the Vicks cough drops that are found on the dollar aisle, the Value Valley. This is part of the other Any Day deal. It is $1. We have a $1 off digital, which makes it completely free. You will pay $0 for this. Only tax. Completely free. The Oral-B Indicator Toothbrush, it's $3. We have a $2 off digital. It is a 2-count. It'll leave you paying only $1. This is great for stockings or gift baskets. This is part of the Any Day deal, the Airwick Vanilla. That's $3.35 with that $2.75 off coupon, leaving you paying only 60 cents. Great for gift baskets. Always Discreet Liners that are $3 with that $2 off digital. It's going to leave you paying only $1. Alright, this is the clearance update. Halloween candy is 50% off. Halloween apparel and socks are 70% off. Halloween party is 70% off. Halloween decorations, decor, seasonal, everything 70% off. Red Dot Home is 70% off. And back to school stationery is also 70% off. So this is what is clearancing right now at Dollar General. All this is 50 to 70% off. Everything is 70% off except for the Halloween candy. Right now, it's only 50% off. So if you guys want to screenshot this or jot it down real quick, here it is. That way you know what to be looking for at DG. If you can find some Red Dot Home stuff for 70% off, that's a really good deal and be great items for Christmas or gift baskets to add into your laundry decor where you only pay just a little bit of money. I'm still going to do the gift basket video. It will be sometime this week. I promise you guys, I will be putting it together this week. If you guys enjoyed today's video, if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. We're now going to do our post notification shout out. If you're wondering how to receive your very own shout out, it's so very simple. All you have to do is follow these 5 things. First, be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Once you do that, turn on that post notification bell button. Once you hit that bell button, go and like the video. Once you like the video, then share it. Share it with your social medias, your mommy, your daddy, your aunt, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your best friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. I don't care. Just share it. Once you share it, comment down below what you are thankful for. And today's shout out goes to Wendy Jeffries. I'll pop your comment up. Amen to that. Lord first, then family. I agree with you 100%. I love each and every single one of you guys. I hope you all have a beautiful and blessed evening. And as we always say, don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now, and time for baby. How stinking cute am I? I keep messing with my bow. It's a little off. Y'all, I absolutely love these little Gap sweatsuits. They're so cute. You gonna tell the Chin Fam, hey? Tell me? Yeah. Getting some sugar. Getting some sugar. Wait. Her sweet baby. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say we love you. We love you. Sweet girl. Oh, you're so precious. You're so precious. Remy, what are you doing? Baby. I got on your baby shark sweatshirt? Yeah. That's a baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Yeah, get jiggy with it. You gonna blow champion some sugar, blow some sugar. Blow and some sugar, go mwah. Remy, tell them bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, sweet girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate all your love and support. If you haven't seen these videos yet, be sure to click on them. You do not want to miss out on these amazing deals. And as I always say, don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now.